Sign that you overlove someone. 1. You let someone hurt you again and again. Because you don't know when to let go, or even if you do, it's not that easy for you. 2. Your life and world revolve around that person. So you become glad to understanding the difference between right and wrong. 3. You put too much of yourself into that person or relationship until the day you feel empty inside and you don't know what to do. 4. You also overthinking about every little detail. You care too much and every small thing in their behalf affect you. 5. You don't pay attention to your dream and career at all because you are always busy looking after them and their big goal. 6. You compromise your own smile for the sake of their happiness. You spend hours thinking about how can make them happy. 7. You can give up easily and keep trying by putting in your effort until you realize that you don't get the same. 8. They are your mind 24 hours and you take extreme interest. 9. You put everything aside to talk to them by canceling friends, stopping what hobby you're doing, or even skipping out on your work team to see that person. 10. Their name cheer you up, and your mood is easily influenced by the thought of them. 11. Rereading or text message between you and them. You got pinned by waiting for them to respond to a text you send, and the problem message feel a word in your heart. 11. You search for any sign that they like you back or not. 13. Looking up to them and looking down on yourself. 14. Kissing up too often and abandoning your clothes to be with them. 15. They get everything and you get nothing. 16. You get jealous easily and don't want them to be close to someone else. 17. You upset with them and crave them physically. 18. You feel physical symptoms called lovesick. 19. You are ignoring another attractive people. 20. You want to say those big words to them.